morning, I'm Grace Pepper, and today is Saturday, the 27th of December. I hope everyone had a great Christmas. It's a beautiful day today. We had some storms last night, but it's all good today. As you can see, it's nearly low tide. And it's beautiful boarding down along the Cairns Esplanade. You can see how lovely this is. Just imagine having this view every morning for breakfast. See, Buddy's is busy again. It's roughly 8:30 a.m. So it's always going to be busy. Fair price, not cheap, but fair price for everything they do. To put the cones up just because it gets super slippery inside the cones. There you go. Here's the camera spot again. Stop, take a screenshot. You can cut and paste yourself into it. The water's super clear today, but then it looks dirty outside though, with all the jellyfish. So we've just had the rain, so there's going to be a large amount of jellyfish in the water today, in close. So again, it's another screenshot opportunity. Boats going out to Green Island and to Fitzroy Island. That one's a Green Island boat. Today's breeze is really good. The flags are flying really well. So this is what our government's forgotten, that we are definitely Australians. So again, you can stop, take a screenshot closer, and a better picture of Cairns City. see the crab going towards the lighter. Oh, he's on, he's gone down his hole. No, he's not going to go down. He went down. See? Beautiful, busy morning. Screenshot of the Esplanade. Just look at how awesome today is. The pelicans are further down today. Temperatures are currently, that one says 30. We'll get over there. The pool temperature is 25 degrees. Outside temperature is 30 degrees. 30.4 degrees outside, and the pool temperature is 25 degrees. That's 32.6 outside and 25 degrees inside. How do I tell that? Over there it tells you the lovely temperature of the day, and currently at 8:30 it's 32.5 and the pool temperature is 25 degrees. So again, you can take a screenshot and get yourself the Cairns Lagoon. This is as far back as what you can almost go. As you can see, I'm right here. And you can get a photo of Cairns Lagoon. So remember that we do have a lot of little murals along there as well. Every 100 meters or so there should be one. Remember when you're walking to slip, slap, seek shade and slide on somebody's. We had the turtle, now we've got the dugong. Ooh, the very tasty dugong. I like it sliced and cooked very well. Almost like a jerky, it's yum. Then you got the Barramundi. Getting overrated, the Barramundi. Just remember, when you eat barramundi, you don't want the farmed one because it tastes like mud. You actually want wild caught barramundi. There we go. You can put yourself into a screenshot from here. There's plenty of things to do down here. Jet skiing, crocodile spotting, scuba diving, learning how to scuba dive. Today's definitely a good day to be out on Green Island just after the rain. And of course Fitzroy Island's really good too. They do great burgers out there and other hot food. They make a good jug of sangria. All the birds are happy. Remember to get down here early. The earlier you get down here, the better fun for your family. It's always good. Again, it's quite busy. Not even 9 o'clock in the morning and yeah, everyone's here. So I'm Grazpepper, and don't forget to follow and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this morning's walk along the Cairns Esplanade. Have a lovely day. Enjoy the cricket if you're watching it.